Hi there, my name is Carter Sinclair and I'm an account executive here at Deep Trekker, and I'm extremely excited to be announcing that we're going to be bringing our Aquatic Incident Management Systems training out to South Lake Tahoe on April 11th and 12th of 2026. The Aquatic Incident Management Systems training is a program developed by Shane Seagroves and SKS Solutions to take the lessons he's learned over his 35-year career and bring it into the classroom and in controlled settings on the water, where we're going to be covering everything from the actual initial casing of that scene, Sidescan sonar techniques, ROV recovery techniques, and much, much more. We're partnering with the California Boating Safety Officers Association, Placer County, as well as Shane Seagroves and SKS Solutions to bring this groundbreaking training over to the West Coast. We've previously run sessions in Florida as well as North Dakota with huge success, and we're taking the lessons we've learned and excited to bring it onto the West Coast in beautiful South Lake Tahoe. This event is taking place April 11th and 12th of 2026, and it's free to attend for all public safety professionals. Everything from police and fire rescue teams are more than welcome to attend and get hands-on training on our ROV systems, better experience in using Sidescan sonar, and managing that aquatic incident from the top down. We look forward to seeing you there.